Good afternoon once more. So this is a walkthrough of TubeBuddy. So it's kind of pointless doing YouTube videos, perhaps this might offend someone, perhaps selling toilet paper then, but yeah, you realise that nobody wants to buy it. So it's like finding the right products, the right niche um, to get into. So that's what TubeBuddy does. It does help you with that. So it's kind of different from most of these products that help with keyword research. So if you go inside it and you're thinking how to get into it, well, you have to actually click the link in the description, which I've got, and then you create an account and you put your channel in, and it actually loads up when you go in. That's the wrong page. I'll just thought we were bringing it there, but let's see. YouTube. So yeah, so I need to access YouTube, um, and here it comes up. So it gives you all the stats. So you'd actually click on here. It's not the greatest size screen, but here we've got feedback dashboard, and we will just click into that. It does load up. So there's a couple of options here you can upgrade. So there's really no difference other than the amount of searches you get. So you can start at free if you want to. We'll just go no thanks. And then when we load it here, it comes a bit more clearer. Yeah. So what the one we're going to focus on, and also you have to the extension, you add it to your browser. So you just really down download it. We're going to go to Keyword Explorer and explore this. So that'll be the next section. Okay, so do some keyword research. It's quite good. It gives you what's trending. But by doing research, it's going to find out rather than doing videos about dog grooming or toilet paper or um, perhaps dog collars, or we have a wee dog, or tattoos. There might not be a market for that, perhaps there is, but by doing this, we'll know what type of videos to do. So that's what's trending just now. UFC, fight night, um, football, basketball. So that's just telling you what type of videos are. So do affiliate marketing. So we'll type that in. And what's quite good about this, you're perhaps just thinking that, but then we've got review, we've got wolf review, we've got programs. So the long tail ones are better. Downside about this is that it doesn't give you the big screen on it. And the last time we sort of looked at TubeBuddy, it's not available on the phone unless they've changed that. If that is the case, it is just on laptop, on desktop computer, and what I'm on the laptop. Um, so to rank for it, it's saying due to the size of my channel, it's fair, it's 35 out of 100, so it might not, the search volume's not too bad for the programs, and then the competition, there isn't probably a lot of videos doing that. And can you optimize it? Yes, so you can do that as well, but it's search results, it's 12 million people. Um, and then the monthly search is 70,000. So, and to get more information, you would have to upgrade, or you could actually just have something else. Here's Pinterest. It does load up. So one thing that's fair, it's just in general. So it's the same sort of stats we're looking at. Yeah, so which is fine. And then we have weighted. In fact, you need to upgrade for that. And then if you were doing a blog, then you can get results in Google, but we are obviously doing YouTube. And then we've got video topics as well, and then the tags. You need tags to have a YouTube video, so you can get access to that as well. And here is the searches. Affiliate marketing for beginners. We'll just do this step by step. Okay, so it's basically saying that this is really a really good idea to have a video going through affiliate marketing step by step. So if you click on a description as well of our unmissable bootcamp, then you'll learn everything about it. So you can follow some of these methods and perhaps do a video about that. And according to my channel, then it's excellent. It's 100 out of 100. Search volume is great as well. And the competition is like amber or yellow, so it's not big competition, somewhere in the middle, and to optimize it is a really good chance of that as well. So this would be a video that you could do, affiliate marketing for beginners step by step 2023. So the longer longer the keywords or the long tail, which is more than one or two words, then it's better for to rank. Um, and once again, that's quite good as well. So doing a video on that would be really good, and even a longer one. Pinterest affiliate marketing for beginners step by step. So perhaps you could do a course in Pinterest and then find out how you use that. Um, but obviously with the Pro, there's so much more in it. So we'll go into the next step in a few short moments. Okay, so they're going to look at tags, but this is really for if you've got a video, it'll sort of optimize it, it'll do a sort of research on your own video. So we'll do some more on this to get you into the idea. Make money online today, we'll just put that in. Um, we might not actually be able to do it. We've exceeded our searches, so that's fine. So we'll go next on to SEO Studio. Um, and then I have a video on competitor of this vidIQ tutorial as well, 2024. So that is keyword. So with that one, you would need to upgrade. So it's not a great idea doing this video, but we'll come back in a few minutes and go to the next section. Okay, so it's a review also on this. So obviously being a free member, it doesn't give you a lot to be honest, but here is the next section, best time to publish, and this will give us some information and that we can review on this one. Right, so it's given us some good information. It's all about doing sort of research. 18% have been in the United States. We want to come out of that. And then no subtitles, and then English, and then all the different um, sort of language speakers as well on that one. So it gives you some good information when you're researching your videos. Let's go back into that. So you can just look at that, and then find out from the data then when the next time is to publish. And this is a section on TubeBuddy. It isn't really that clear on it, but that's what it is. So that's basically how you would use sort of TubeBuddy, and it's a good one. I think vidIQ is slightly better, but certainly if you want to give this a try, then click a link in description and then check our Unmissable bootcamp. It's really something special, and we'd love to see you there. Bye bye for now.